welcome back to my channel. Today I will be participating in a cupcake challenge, which I thought was a great way to launch fall. And it's the Fall Cupcake Challenge put on by Maria from Artsy Cupcake. So the whole title of it is the Fall Artsy Cupcake Challenge. Hope you all enjoy this. My recipe is going to be a little bit different. It's a carrot keto cupcake, and I made it with the cream cheese frosting. I got the recipe online, and I will be putting everything down below so you can find it on your own. Also, what I did was I tweaked the recipe only by one item. I added everything that the recipe called for except the orange, the grated orange. I decided not to do that, and what I did was I put a little bit of maple extract in mine. So it gave it that kind of homey maple yumminess taste to it. And I also added a little bit of the maple extract to my cream cheese frosting. So it kind of just, I don't know, it made it feel more like fall to me. So I hope you all enjoy this recipe. If so, please don't hesitate in commenting below. And I will, like I said, I will link everything down below so you can have the recipe as well. And let's get on with this challenge, all right? So here's what we're making today. We made the Keto Carrot Cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. Online. I think I found it actually on Pinterest. So if you want to look it up, you're more than welcome to check it out. But these are what they look like. And they, to me, oh my gosh. Okay, if you notice, there's 5 there. I made 6. My daughter and I decided we needed to taste the cupcake before we actually, you know, put it out there for all of you. So it was delicious. We ate it last night. It was super yummy. So then what I've done is I've just made my cupcake stand out of 2 cake tiers. And this is the Princess House line of cake tiers. So I put that, and I found these cute little leaves over at the Dollar Tree, just laid them down. I found this little burlap paper at I think it was at Hobby Lobby. So I just cut it to the size of my cupcake tray, and I laid that down. And then this little gal, I made her. The scarecrow head was on little flower picks that you get from the Dollar Tree, and I just kind of removed the pick, and then I found this cute ribbon, and I decided she needed something up on her neck area. Then I ran it along her bottom. I added a little bit of tooling, and here's her little legs, and she's sitting on a little haystack. So I think she's adorable, and she turned out really, really okay, cute. So that was my recipe on a keto carrot cupcake. I hope you all really enjoyed this little tutorial and the little decorations I did as well. If you have any questions, once again, please leave your comments below. And until next time, friends, take care.